Your professional summary. Let me give you the biggest mistake I see on professional summaries. Now, the summary is that little paragraph of content that's right below your picture. And oftentimes it starts out with, when I was 20 years old, oh God, I don't want to know when you were 20 years old. I'm not looking to hire you as an employee. I'm looking to potentially do business with you or partner with you or whatever the case may be. So make that professional summary a benefit-rich summary of how your business helps others. So let me just say that again. Make sure that that professional summary is rich with benefits of how you guys help others. All right? And I always tell people bullets over paragraphs. So we help companies over the last 35 years in the following ways. Title insurance, blah, 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 and just use the bullets so people are scanning it.